Polina came from Bulgaria and chose Detail Hair Transplant for her procedure. She was experiencing male pattern hair loss, and we performed a hairline restoration. A total of 2,400 grafts were implanted, with an average of 2.1 hairs per graft. Considering her fine hair structure, the maximum number of grafts was transplanted for optimal density. After the operation, she received vitamin support and 2 PRP sessions to strengthen the results. For Polina, we aimed to achieve a natural, dense, and feminine look. Detail Hair Transplant, professionalism in every detail.